Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. This was a total surprise, gosh, that leather card just blasted that sticker off the table. This was sent to me apparently by Northern Knives, and if you've never checked out Northern Knives, this is actually a retailer that I have purchased from many times. Usually like hinder knives and things that I can't find in a lot of other places. When I check there, sometimes they have really cool stuff. I definitely urge you to check them out. Many of you are already completely and totally familiar with Northern Knives, but if you're not, definitely take a look. They've got some really cool stuff and perhaps some stuff that you don't expect to find there. But they sent me something that I wasn't expecting at all. I vaguely remember a conversation with them from a while ago. I certainly wasn't expecting them to send me a Benchmade product, but here it is. So thank you so much to Northern Knives. I will link this. I'm assuming it's some sort of exclusive. I'll link it down in the description. I know it's brand new because it's still sealed. So what do we have here? It says that it is a Bailout 537GY in CPM 3V. I have no idea if Benchmade has improved their 3V heat treatment. I do like the Bailout, so I'm wondering, I'm definitely curious as far as the design goes. Yeah, this is a solid one. Extra pocket clip. Do they come with extra pocket clips now? I wasn't aware of that. So what's going on here? What do we... Oh, we do... Oh, boy. Whoa. Oh, hold on a second. Is this... This is Paul Munko. It has to be. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Look at this. Is that what I'm looking at here? Oh, man. This looks like Paul Munko. Colorful Filth. That's what I'm saying. So hold on a second. I'm going to have to edit this video and correct myself. Is this a Northern Knives exclusive Paul Munko themed Bailout? Is that what this is? Because if so, this is super epic. This says prototype on it. So obviously this video is going to have corrections in it and things like that. So yeah, the full details hopefully on screen or at the very least in the description. But this is extremely cool. Just, the Benchmade and the 3V whatever aside, as far as the object that is currently existing in my hands, this is super cool. Now, I don't know if he does his art like, as Cerakote or if it's like anodizing. I'm not really sure. I'm also not 100% sure, excuse me, if this is titanium. It's actually fairly heavy. Which actually, personally is something that I like with knives like this. But I want to weigh it, and then if you own an aluminum Bailout, or whatever other versions are, you can compare with those. But this actually weighs 3.7 ounces, so it wouldn't surprise me at all if it was titanium. Look at these red thumb stubs here. How cool. Then we have, of course, the nested steel liners. And then we have a backspacer here. Now, the backspacer could very well be aluminum and, it's Cerakoted. But I want to... let's take a look at this art here. I want to actually zoom up on this so you guys can take a look. So this is a helicopter, a very aggressive attack helicopter. And I'm now realizing that the helicopter has teeth and eyeballs on it. This is so cool. There's another helicopter behind there. And then, oh, they're fighting... we're seeing UFOs. This is a battle being fought in space. These are sort of organic, living space Apache helicopters having a shootout. Clearly, it looks like they're winning as well. A shootout with aliens. How wild! Then we have. I didn't realize there was red in here, so it looks like just sort of the vista of space with either debris or chunks of rocks. And then in the background, we can see stars and, sort of the red speckles mixed in there. Really cool. There's just so much going on here. And then we have the Benchmade logo here. I'm not sure what the coating is on the blade, but, this is one of those knives where I'm not sure how much it really matters. People are going to pick this up simply for the art. We also have, of course, the red thumb studs here. And then the other side, we have, at first I thought it was like an astronaut like sitting, in like a position of victory, but it appears to actually be somebody being ejected from a it's somebody being ejected from a helicopter into space. It looks like he's got the proper equipment though. How cool. Look how it's almost like little grid lines. Very comic book style art here. We can see what I assume are the blades from the helicopter propeller. Very cool. You can even see the rivets and the helicopter. So detailed. All the little teeny tiny lines in this thing. Absolutely spectacular. But if you've seen my content in the past showcasing Paul's artwork, which I'm going to feel so stupid if I'm wrong, but like I've seen so much of his artwork now that it just has like a particular flair to it. So I have to assume that that's what this is. But every time he does something like this, some wild and crazy collaboration, it always just ends up being amazing. And I know that there are people out there who specifically collect his artwork knives. And I know there's also people out there who use the knives that are, showcasing his artwork. I'll try to have his Instagram accounts linked down in the description so that you guys can check them out. And then I'm going to guess, since we have the Northern Knife stickers, that that's where this is going to drop. This is where this is going to be available. So yeah. The Bailout, as far as, I have my thoughts on Benchmade that it's mainly associated with their pricing. They, like many other companies, have things that they could work out for sure. This is going to be an expensive product. There's no way around it. You already have the baseline with Benchmade making expensive knives and then marking them way up. And then there's also going to be an added cost for the artwork here. But this is clearly a collector item. It's something that people are going to buy specifically, not because they're looking for some sort of ultra utilitarian cutting tool. They're buying this specifically because they want something like this in their collection. And if you're like me, if you like a lot of variety in your collection, you like to pick up a lot of, kind of wacky and crazy stuff that there's not very much of, that creates variation in your collection, this is the type of thing that attracts people like that. So I can completely and totally understand that. I get it. My own collection has a lot of wild and crazy stuff. I'm not sure what they want me to do with this, so I'll have to talk with Northern Knives and with Paul Munko and see what they want me to do. It's a prototype, so they may very well want it back. That maybe they want me to give it away. I have already reviewed the Bailout model, so it would be pointless for me to review it again in this form. But whatever it is that they want me to do, I would be more than happy to do it. So anyways, all the appropriate links, all of the appropriate lore and information on this model and when it's going to be available, I'm hoping that I'll have put it in the video. But the links will be in the description so you guys can check them out. Thanks again to Paul and Northern Knives for sending this in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. Where is that thing? There it is. Follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.